If 3x minus 7 is less than 2x plus 5, which of the following must be true? Okay, and we have a list of 5 choices. So let's go ahead and do it. 3x minus 7 is less than 2x plus 5. We have the inequality here. So we can rearrange the terms, or we can conceptually look at it as adding 7 to both sides to get rid of the 7 here. So this gives us 3x is less than 2x plus 5. 2x plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, let's get rid of this 2x on the right-hand side. This we do it by subtracting minus 2x on the left-hand side. So we have 2x minus 2x plus 12. So they both cancel out each other, just like here, they both cancel out each other. So we get x is less than 12. And yes, clearly this is an answer. Let's see if the answer is present in any other form. No, it's not present in any other form. So E is the correct answer. That's it. And if you have any questions, you can always ask in the comment section. Thank you very much.